Today's top 10 tech stories. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily tech updates. We're not trying to build Titanfall 3, Empulse CEO says, though it's scratching my wall-running FPS itch all the same. Empulse, developed by 1047 Games, launches into early access as a movement-focused FPS that draws inspiration from Titanfall and Black Ops III, but is not intended as a direct successor to Titanfall. CEO Ian Proulx emphasizes the game's distinct identity, despite its dynamic wall-running mechanics and 6v6 arena combat that echo Respawn's franchise. The best and worst looks at the 2026 BET Awards. The 2026 BET Awards at Peacock Theater in Los Angeles featured standout fashion moments, with Clipse and Teyana Taylor each winning 3 awards and Lauryn Hill receiving the Living Legend Icon Award during a tribute performance. While many attendees delivered stunning red carpet looks, others were criticized for confusing outfit choices that missed the mark. Arrest warrant issued for suspect in Monaco parcel bombing. A Ukrainian woman, Anastasia Berezovska, is wanted for attempted murder after allegedly leaving an explosive package at a Monaco apartment building, seriously injuring a sanctioned Ukrainian millionaire, his partner, and their 13-year-old son. An Interpol red notice has been issued for Berezovska, who fled to Germany after the attack. England hat-trick hero Geoff Hurst joins bid to recover Bobby Moore's 1966 World Cup final shirt. Sir Geoff Hurst, England's 1966 World Cup hat-trick hero, has joined efforts to recover Bobby Moore's missing red jersey, urging whoever possesses it to return it to Moore's family. Tina Moore, Barbie's widow, has filed a legal claim against businessman Neville Evans, alleging he either has the shirt or knows its whereabouts, while Evans denies currently holding it and plans to contest the case in court. Hodkinson scores 4 tries as Wigan beat Wakefield. Noah Hodkinson scored 4 tries as Wigan Warriors defeated Wakefield Trinity 48-10, continuing their strong form with a dominant performance that included contributions from multiple players and moved them to 4th in the Super League table. Mark Hamill doesn't get twisted metal but enjoys playing the Pope. Flula Borg and Tony Kotzer have wrapped filming The American Winner, a satirical horror movie about a tech billionaire who must feed a bizarre being he accidentally impregnated, set entirely in his palatial bathroom. Meanwhile, Chasey has joined the cast of Paranormal Activity 8, and Mike Flanagan's upcoming Exorcist film is officially titled The Exorcist: Martyrs. Hope is the thing with feathers and with fangs, the alchemy of unrequited love and the story behind Emily Dickinson's most famous poem. Emily Dickinson's famous poem, Hope is the Thing with Feathers, may have been inspired by a traumatic romantic rejection in 1861, when the poet fell into an intense relationship with Kate Scott Anthon, a widowed young woman introduced to her by Susan Gilbert, which ended abruptly and left Dickinson heartbroken. Scholar Rebecca Patterson proposed this theory in 1951, suggesting the experience furnished material for much of Dickinson's mournful poetry. Fedora 45, considering a lightened grub bootloader for confidential compute. Fedora 45 is considering a minimal grub bootloader variant optimized for confidential computing virtual machines, featuring reduced modules and focused UEFI support, while maintaining compatibility with unified kernel images and bootloader specification files. This Grub Lite aims to provide more stable TPM-PCR values for remote attestation, compared to the full Grub implementation that will remain the default. Carbo gets hat-trick in Queensland comeback thriller. Selwyn Carbo scored a hat-trick as Queensland staged a stunning second-half comeback to defeat New South Wales 44-24 in Melbourne, levelling the State of Origin series at 1-1. Sam Walker contributed 100 goal-kicking accuracy, converting all 7 Queensland tries, while the Maroons overcame an early 12-2 deficit and the temporary loss of captain Cameron Munster to secure the win, and set up a series decider in Brisbane on 8 July. Naomi Osaka is an absolute icon of tennis fashion. Naomi Osaka continues to make bold fashion statements at Grand Slams, wearing custom designs that reflect her Japanese and Haitian heritage, motherhood and tennis career, including a white kimono-style robe at Wimbledon and a flowing pleated ensemble with a wide-brimmed hat at the Australian Open. Thanks for watching, like and comment below. See you in the next update.